Introducing Promptmate's HARO Pitch Generator Template. Automate your HARO pitch to effortlessly generate high-quality big media backlinks using the power of AI. First, go to your HARO email and focus on the HARO query you want to pitch for. Next, go on Promptmate and start adding all the inputs required by the template to generate the HARO pitch. So go ahead and add summary, name, media outlet, query, requirements, your name, company URL and your role. Then go ahead and click Run. As you can see, Promptmate was able to successfully generate your customized HARO pitch, ready for you to send via email. Remember that thanks to Promptmate's bulk processing feature, you can do this for many HARO pitches at once. As always, you can download your results in a CSV, or directly open them on Google Spreadsheet. Thanks to Promptmate once again, you were able to do in a few minutes a task that usually takes hours. Now you can increase your HARO pitching for your website, and effortlessly generate high-quality big media backlinks. For more information, visit promptmate.io. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.